My parents were both born in Europe, my mother in Lithuania. They immigrated to Canada as single young people. My mother was barely 18. My mother had been a runner, which meant that she carried messages for the Socialist Party in where they were living. And my grandfather had been informed by somebody that my mother's name was on a list to be probably arrested. And so they hustled her out very quickly, 18, no English. She came to Canada because there were some, what they called landsleit, which means people who came from the same area who probably knew my grandparents and their parents. And so she landed in Montreal at age 18 with no knowledge of the language at all. My mother was a remarkable woman. And as I thought back over the years, I wondered if I would ever have been able to do anything like that. When I thought about it, and I thought about it a lot over the years, and particularly when I was young, and I thought it was very brave of her to be able to do it.